Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to remove vendor's name from products page. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you are designing your Shopify online store by yourself and you wanted to learn how to make your product page more professional, more user friendly without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, then you can continue this video. Here I am going to share the easiest way that will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I am going to scroll down. Here is one of product. I'm going to open this product to go to the product page, and you can see that there is the vendor name, and we wanted to remove this vendor's name from this product page. Okay, to do this you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. So I have already logged in my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then you have to click on the customize button. Now you have to click on this icon, then product, default product, and you can see that here is the vendor's name. Okay, to remove, just click on this vendor name, and you can see that here is the text and dynamically display the vendors in here. So simply we are going to remove this text, and you can see that the vendor name has been hide or remove. Now click on the save. Okay, now go back my product page, reload. Wow, you can see that the vendor's name has been gone. So I hope you understand the easy process and you can do it by yourself right now. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Hey everyone, my name is Nate Gallaudet. I'm the owner of Bacon Blend, and I worked with Foysal on building my Shopify store. He did excellent work. I highly recommend you working with Foysal. He will get everything you need done in a timely fashion, and he's all about speed, efficiency, and making sure he does everything correctly. Again, I highly recommend working with Foysal on all your Shopify needs, as well as WordPress. He is a master at WordPress and Shopify.